a beautiful day in Milan, and we are here at Triennale Design Museum, where we're going to meet Gert Hildebrand from Mini, who's going to show us a very special installation. Let's go!
Hi Valentina, hi Mini Space.
So, can you please introduce to us this beautiful installation?
The idea, walking through the iconic car, so Mini iconic walkthrough. We start with the classic Mini 1959. On the left-hand side, you see the graphical elements from the iconic value of the car, and on the right-hand side, you see the respective photography. The next element is the new Mini from 2001, so that was a big step after 40 years. Here we prove that we transferred the original icons into the new car, which was a very big breakthrough, that we have recognizability to the history, but also have a future design development. And the biggest step now we have here is a new Countryman, which of course is a new Mini in his size and in his technology, and of course does not resemble so much a classic Mini, but still has to be connected to it with all 10 icons. This is a guiding line from the beginning to the end. If you follow this line, you actually go through the exhibition, and it represents the center rail. And now we walk through the car. We have here the front of the car, and actually we experience it three-dimensionally. Yeah? So when you go into the car, the next big icon, of course, is the center speedo. It's a circular element, Mini-typical, and if you watch the floor, you actually are standing on the car. We go next through the car, we go through the center speedo, to the center rail, illuminated with ambient lighting. We wonder what is next. Let's dive into the car. Oh, we are on the final part. Here's a Mini Cooper D rear with the big Mini logo for the handle. And here on the right-hand side, we have a layer on the side view and movable panels where you can play, kids can play with load. Yeah, they're moving, transparent moving boards on top of a side view. And let's look what's if we leave the car through the hatch, which normally you don't do. But here, look, this was a car when we started. You see how the car was modeled in our workshops, hand-built, sculptured from modelers. Here the clay was transferred to the back, already working area here, and then it was transferred to the color, how we later show it to the board. So it's actually a process over time.
So thank you very much, Gert. I'm so happy to be here because this is quite an amazing installation. It's creative, it's interactive. Hi again. We had some great time in Triennale, but now we are here at Milan's University at the Internet Think Tank. And what can you tell me about this big Mini new installation?
The background was think tank. We thought how we can transfer this in a Mini way. Of course, think tank design, how is the brain of a designer in a building. The idea is to create a structure, like a bridge, like a railway bridge, out of the Mini lettering. Bridge always connects, connecting outside with the inside, yeah. History, a process, product with a brand, and also the academic surrounding. It's a living university, it's historical, and to make this interconnection with the historical architecture to a very pure and strong graphical impact in compared to a very artistic surrounding. Actually, the Mini think tank is here represented from the process of the design department. In the structures, you see the design process. On this side, the exterior design process. And here, you see the interior design process, the final product, the result, and the presentation on the back, how we work and how the whole design philosophy is about the car. We are, of course, very proud to have this very modern structure, which is like a bridge, but which also reflects this pillar structure of Greek and Roman temples, and also the amphitheater system of the seats where you watch. That's what it is.
It was quite a busy days, but also interesting and fun. That's how design should be. So I think I will stop here in the metallic garden and hope to see you again. Ciao, ciao!